Introducing CivitPlanDraft with AI-enabled smart printing. New CivitPlanDraft, now enhanced with AI-powered smart functionalities of CivitPlan AI-enabled smart printing. The smart printing allows users to select and apply the desired layout sheet directly while drafting. The smart printing feature enables seamless printing of verified drawings and conversion to PDF. It also ensures that the final scrutinized drawing maintains the correct printing format, delivering professional, consistent, and high-quality output. A common printing code framework has been established across both CivitPlan and CivitPlanDraft applications. Client-specific customizations are efficiently managed through configuration-based approaches, ensuring flexibility, scalability, and streamlined maintenance across deployments. Smart printing AI-enabled features significantly reduce manual effort, improve accuracy, and printing workflows in CivitPlanDraft. Thank you.